We'd actually gone out to other taxi companies around the UK to see what their take on it was, how their councils were responding to the effort to change over.
We started to explore this process. We got in contact with, initially we bought the vehicles, so took total cost ownership of the vehicles, which was 6 Nissan Leafs. Then came the charging network. Our charging infrastructure came next, which was more of a recommendation process from other fleet operators, what equipment they were using, how robust was it, how reliable. We then had a meeting thereon with Nottingham City Council Transport Department, and we're lucky enough to obtain some funding for one rapid charger, and also we acquired a rapid charger from Nissan, providing we paid the installation costs, and then we capexed a number of fast chargers.
We had the right people to install, we had the right equipment there that we was installing, so that was fine. And any health and safety issues is only the same as what would have been addressed by the City Council when they installed theirs as well. So we just went in sequence. Is this the right equipment? Does it meet the approval? Yes. Have we got the right people in to install it? Again, with the help of the council. Are these people okay? We did our own little research. Yes, they're okay. Installation went in.
Any driver that takes an EV is given driver training. Again, we were given driver training by Nissan, driver efficiency, handling the car, how to charge the car. Handover was done by the installation company, the EV installation company, of how to use the chargers, which is a pretty straightforward process.